Reveille Peak Ranch is a place I've heard so much about but had never been. I met up with a great group of friends for a ride out there a few weeks ago. We rode around 11 miles and climbed about 1,100 feet, which is a lot for this part of Texas. But these trails don't look like you're in Texas. If anything, it looks like mini Moab. We're used to rocks here, but not large slabs of rock where the trail runs over it. Here's some footage I got that day. Oh, freak. Jesus. I kept waiting for this gap jump to appear that I've heard so much about, so I missed a few of the jumps that I couldn't see the other side of. Oh, God. Could have hit that. This is pretty huge. There it is. No thank you. Wow. Holy good God. Oh man. Dude, Kevin getting some air. Beeline. I'm going for it. Whoa! Come on. All right. We worked our way up to what must have been the highest point in the area. Ryan and I climbed to the top of these rocks for a nice view. I think I'm getting too tired to make too many crazy decisions. By this point, we were pretty beat. Some of us didn't have food or water left, so we just headed back. Mistakes were bound to happen when you're this exhausted and hungry. JT had a couple of crashes, which always makes for a fun video, as long as no one's hurt. Thanks for letting me use these, JT. I'm glad you're alright. Nothing like wet rocks. Jeez.
Oh, is it? Just rolled out.
Oh, jeez. Well, now I'm scared. Hey, welcome to Moab. Oh no, dude! Oh no, dude! You're not having a good time right now.
Shoot!
Yeah. I see it. It's hard to see him. Okay, so we're back. That was good.
Okay.
I had a great time out here. I recommend hitting this place during the cooler months, or get there at sunrise in summer. It would be tough to hide from the sun out here. Thanks for checking this one out. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.